आप मुझसे एक तारीख़ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि एक कोई तारीख़ी फ़ैसला मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं। मैं अपने सीजीआई साहब की बात पर, उनकी ज़बान की सच्चाई पर मैं डिपेंड कर रहा हूँ। उन्होंने सिर्फ़ एक जुमला कहा, उन्होंने कहा कि पिछले 100 साल का इतिहास आप बदल नहीं सकते, और इसी पे हमारा भरोसा है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में वक्फ संशोधन कानून से जुड़े मामले में 73 याचिकाएं दायर की गई और अलग अलग राज्यों से कई याचिकाकर्ता सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचे। हालांकि आज दिन भर में जिस तरह से इस मामले में सुनवाई हुई, इस मामले पर कल के लिए भी तारीख मुकर्रर किया गया है। 17 अप्रैल को दोपहर में 2 बजे सुनवाई होगी। लेकिन आज की सुनवाई कैसे हुई और इस मामले में कुछ याचिकाकर्ता हमारे साथ में, मैं सबसे पहले आपका नाम जानना चाहूँगा और किस तरह से आज पूरा कोर्ट की जो सुनवाई हुई है उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
मेरा नाम सैयद सप्तान हैदर जैदी है। मैं खानकाए बरकातिया मारर शरीफ ज़िला एटा यूपी का गद्दी नशीन हूँ और मजलिस शरई ट्रस्ट रजिस्टर्ड मुंबई का मैं चीफ़ ट्रस्टी और यहाँ पे पिटिशन दाखिल करने में हमारा काम है। हमने पिटिशन दाखिल किया है यहाँ पर और ये PIL हमने दाखिल किया और ये बोल के PIL दाखिल किया उच्च न्यायालय में कि हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स हैं to administer our religious institutions, they have been violated by the latest Waqf Amendment Bill of 2025। तो ये हमने अपनी PI में पूरा डिटेल दिया और जिसको माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने आज सुना और बहुत हमको पॉजिटिव फीडबैक मिला वहाँ से। हमें बहुत हिम्मत मिली और हम आपके माध्यम से अपने मुसलमान भाइयों से एक बात अर्ज़ करना चाहते हैं कि हमारे लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बिलीव करके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेमोक्रेटिक मीन्स से हम लोग जो हैं यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। आप लोग हिम्मत बंधाए रखें, इंशाअल्लाह तबारक व तआला हमारे जो वक्फ की अमानत है वो महफूज रहेगी। आप मुझसे एक तारीख़ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं कि एक कोई तारीख़ी फ़ैसला मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं। मैं अपने सीजीआई साहब की बात पर, उनकी ज़बान की सच्चाई पर मैं डिपेंड कर रहा हूँ। उन्होंने सिर्फ़ एक जुमला कहा, उन्होंने कहा कि पिछले 100 साल का इतिहास आप बदल नहीं सकते, और इसी पे हमारा भरोसा है।
कल इस मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फिर से सुनवाई होगी।
माय नेम इज़ सैयद सप्तान हैदर जैदी। आई एम द गद्दी नशीन ऑफ खानकाए मादेरा, खानकाए बरकातिया मारर शरीफ एटा यूपी, and I am also the chief trustee and president of Majlis Shari Trust, which is the first petitioner of the PIL that we had filed in the Honorary Supreme Court on the 13th of April 2025.
And who's the advocate who is representing you?
The advocate, Mr. Advocate Praveen Agarwal Saab, he is the advocate who is representing me.
What is it that you are challenging in the Waqf Amendment?
There are a lot of points that we have put up in our PIL, and after probably I will not be able to disclose everything because obviously the thing is now sub judice. But the points that we discussed today, of course, I can tell you because that is on public domain. So the Honorary Chief Justice of India, he gave some positive vibes today. We got positive vibes, and he was. We believe that tomorrow after the hearing, we'll only be able to conclude that okay, something will happen. Right now, since it's still sub judice over there, we can't say.
But what is it that he said that is giving you the positive vibes?
He said you cannot change the history of 100 years of the Waqf in India. You cannot change it. You can't just change it. So this is a thing which we believe that within the rights that we have got within the Constitution of India, I think we'll be getting our right to stay put and be safe. Our awqaf will be safe.
But the constitutional validity, that's the crux of this whole challenge.
Yes.
What is your perspective on this?
My perspective is that you cannot, like my honorable friend, my lawyer will also tell you, there are a few clauses in there which are totally, at least I don't know what the legal language for that, but I do know they are very colorful. For example, if you say that the person who is registering the Waqf should be a Muslim, recorded Muslim of 5 years. Now in Islam it is said in the Quran, in the verse of Surah Al-Baqarah, the chapter Baqarah, it says nobody is under any compulsion to accept Islam. So it is not under no compulsion. So when the tenets of Islam, they don't force Islam on anyone, then how come this state colorful quotations are going to put Islam They are going to impose, literally impose Islam on a person who's trying to do a waqf and say that you have to prove to the state that you are a Muslim for the past 5 years. Secondly, they have also repealed Article 107, so that what happens is that a person who is occupying a piece of land, a waqf land, for the past 12 years, is deemed as the owner of the land. So this is these are some of the
Without any valid papers.
yeah, of course, without any valid papers. So that thing is something that we are fighting for, and we are fighting for managing our awqaf by the Muslims.
Okay.
So that is what the intent of waqf actually is.
Okay. Sanjeev Khanna has also said that would you allow non-Muslims to be in the
Ex officio. He said ex officio. He stated very clearly that the membership for non-Muslims he's very clear with that. He's not going to agree to the non-Muslims entering. Only the ex officio, only the person who's going to be the monitoring body over the administration of the waqf. I mean, apart from this, management, then the financials, everything, logistics, everything's to be managed by the Muslim committees, as was the practice this time.
But there's also argument that it's not violating the fundamental rights of anyone.
That is for us to put and for the court to decide tomorrow, inshallah. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Were they fulfilled?
Yes, I was not expecting so much of a positive response from the. I mean, I didn't know what sort of an argumentation is going to take place, but having full faith in the Supreme Court, I am so happy. I am not able to express it in words. The positivity that we got from the honorary CJI when he said that the history of the past 100 years cannot be changed in response to some hostile comments, and I'm very happy with that. And I have full faith in the honorary Apex Court that we are going to receive justice. My name is Sayyid Sibtain Haider Zaidi. I'm the Sajjada Nashin of Khanqah Barkatiya, Marar Sharif, Eta, UP.
Sir, if I could just push you a bit further.
Yeah.
What were some of the key points of contention in today's hearing?
The key points of contention that the honorary Chief Justice heard about, they were mainly waqf by use. They were about the Article 26, our basic right to administer our religious institutions, and all that we have included in our PIL, and all the clauses they were heard, and most of the clauses that were heard, for all of them he gave a very positive response, and we have a lot of ummeed from
What do you
ummeed.
think happens tomorrow, sir? What are the key issues that will be taken up tomorrow?
Tomorrow he has asked the government to produce their stance, so it all depends on what they are going to say, but I believe the court is by the institution. The court stands by the constitution. That's what we have been fighting for all this time.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Sajjada Nashin of Khanqah Barkatiya, Marar Sharif, District Eta, UP. And I'm also the President and Chief Trustee of Majlis-e-Sharai Trust, which is a registered trust in Mumbai, and which is the first petitioner in the PIL that we have filed against the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025.
What do you have to say about the hearing that went on today for nearly 2 hours?
The hearing, which started a little after 2 o'clock, it was we were Zahir si baat hai, we were apprehensive, and it is obvious because this is the first time, at least for me, as a Dargahi person. By the way, I want to first of all assert that I'm not a political person. I'm an apolitical person, not having any vested interest in this. For me, it was the first time to come to the Supreme Court over here today, representing the dargahs and the khanqahs of our country. So I was apprehensive, but then I got a very positive vibe from how the CJI he commented on so many things, on so many issues that the government councils were presenting. And for me, the most important thing that he said was, you cannot change the history of 100 years when it comes to waqf. That's it. नशीन हूँ और मजलिस शरई ट्रस्ट जो फर्स्ट पिटिशनर है, हमने PIL दाखिल किया 13 अक्टूबर को, तो उसकी तरफ से मैं यहाँ पे सेकंड पिटिशनर के तौर पे मौजूद हूँ। आपने एक बात अभी अपने अनाउंसमेंट में कही कि अपोजिशन पार्टीज ने कहा था, मैं एक बात आपके चैनल के थ्रू मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ कि हम पॉलिटिकल आदमी नहीं हैं, हम सूफ़ी हैं, हम पीर हैं, गद्दी नशीन हैं और नॉन पॉलिटिकल, और हमारा इसमें कोई अपना पर्सनल स्टेक नहीं है। जी,
तो अंदर जो बातचीत हुई आप वहाँ पर मौजूद थे?
जी हाँ, मैं मौजूद था कोर्ट रूम के अंदर। मैं जाहिर सी बात है, मैं पिटिशनर हूँ, तो मुझे वहाँ पे
पूरी बातचीत सुनी?
जी हाँ, मैंने पूरी बातचीत सुनी और हमारे बारे में हमारे जो हेड हमारे थे, हमारे पूरे पैनल के, उन्होंने बात की। मेरे जो काउंसिल हैं वो श्री अग्रवाल साहब हैं, प्रवीण अग्रवाल साहब हैं, और टीम के बहुत सारे लोगों ने हमारी टीम के अंदर जो है उन्होंने कराया हुआ PIL। बहरहाल जो भी डिस्कशन हुआ वो पूरे में हमने सुना है, उसको पूरा फॉलो किया और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसको पूरा समझ के हम बाहर आए हैं।